Chief Minister Shri N. Biren Singh has transferred a total of Rs 125.955 lakhs to the bank accounts of 210 farmers of Senapati, Churachandpur, Tamenglong and Chandel districts under two different schemes of Tribal Affairs and Hills Department in a simple function held at Chief Minister's Secretariat yesterday. Implementing agency of these two schemes, which are cultivation of high-tech banana in hill districts and development and income generation through promotion and preservation of indigenous produce, King Chili Umorok is Manipur Organic Mission Agency, MoMA of Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department. Speaking at the occasion, CM N. Biren Singh stressed the need to work on mission mode for 100% replacement of chemical fertilizers by organic manures. Stating that chemical fertilizer is responsible for many diseases, the Chief Minister expressed a strong desire for speedy expansion of organic cultivation in the state. He also asked the officials and experts to find ways for large-scale production of organic manures. Chief Minister M. N. Biren Singh also directed the officials concerned to identify one agriculture produce each of all the 16 districts of the state to enhance production and market it outside the state. He asked them to submit a list within a week. The Chief Minister also directed the officials to closely monitor and guide the beneficiaries in farming. He stated that Manipur should also contribute in realizing Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi's dream of making India a $5 trillion economy by 2024-25. TA and Hills Minister Wangzagin Walte, Additional Chief Secretary of Horticulture and Soil Conservation P. Vaifei and other high-ranking officials were also present on the occasion.
Organic fertilizers, even gas is organic fertilizers produced over the base, so that we can replace the chemical fertilizers. Chemical fertilizers, the doctor, the maximum disease even hangam kobi loina fertilizer hard side. I don't know if Manipur and Nari, no, you push the Nada, hospital, the cancer, birth throat, Adugi, Adagi, a tongue, sick pea, and none the holy. I don't know, Monsieur Quay, Akan the moon with a mission mode. Totally 10% of organic, or Henry say. Mashide, the emphasis period,